Welcome to learn CBSE.in. So already 20 people are waiting. Okay, today the live session is about polynomials, class 9th. Already completed up to division algorithm. Again we are continuing the same thing. So everyone who are watching the video, is it audible? And the screen is visible clearly. If you have any issue, you can type in the chat box. Okay. So please bring paper and pen while you are doing the sums, and you can answer in the chat box. Okay. Already 22 are waiting. Okay. Let me move on to the class. So, class 9. Polynomials. NCERT textbook. So already we have started the chapter and we completed up to exercise 2.4. We are being in exercise 2.4, fifth main. So already the covered topics are types of polynomials, zero of a polynomial, remainder theorem, factor theorem, and also division algorithm. So all these topics are already covered. Now we are in exercise 2.4, fifth main. So here again in exercise 2.4 we already completed about the factorization of quadratic polynomials. So we are left with now factorization of cubic polynomials. So I think so everyone is understanding. If you have any doubt, you can type in the chat box. I think so little bit technical issue, chart is disconnected. Just we will verify. Okay. So fifth main, exercise 2.4, fifth main, first sum. So factorize, he is asking to factorize the cubic polynomials now. Already we have done with the quadratic polynomials. Now we are dealing with factorization of cubic polynomials. The first sum is the x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So already we know when you are given the quadratic polynomial we use the splitting method, but when you are getting for the cubic polynomial, first of all we have to get one zero. See, I already said and again mentioning that number of zeros or number of factors for the given polynomial depends upon the degree of the polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, that is nothing but quadratic, so we have 2 zeros and 2 factors, otherwise 2 factors. But now the degree of cubic polynomial is 3. The degree of cubic polynomial is 3. So we have 3 factors, nothing but 3 zeros you will get. 3 zeros for the cubic polynomial. Good evening, Shivam. So for cubic polynomials we will get 3 factors, okay, otherwise 3 zeros. So in quadratic polynomial directly we go for the splitting method. Now here we are doing with, first of all we assume 1 0 and substitute in the given polynomial. That is nothing but trial and error method. Trial and error method. So after getting 1 0 using the trial and error method, that means you will get one factor. So then we will divide the given polynomial. We will divide the given polynomial with that factor. Then the polynomial reduces to quadratic polynomial. Then it is very easy to get the factors of the quadratic polynomial. If you have any doubt, you can type in the chat box. So everyone is, those who are watching, audible is. If you have any technical issue, you can type in the chat box. Even if you have any doubt in the problem, you can type in the chat box. So already 10 people are watching, you can interact with us. It is a live session. Hi Rakesh, good evening. Okay, see, when you are going for trial and error method, first take 1, then after -1, 2, -2. While he is going for the examinations, he will not cross beyond these values. Okay, beyond these values. So let us try for 1. So let P of x equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now P of 1 must be equal to, that means in the place of x I am using 1. So we will get 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So we will get, see, 1 cube is 1, 1 square 1 into 2 2. So minus 2 here, minus 1 plus 2. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, you are left with 0. That means on substituting the value of 1, given polynomial becomes 0. That means obviously 1 is 0 of the given cubic polynomial, 1 of the 0. That means I can write, since 1 is 0 of a polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, therefore x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, the thing is that if anything is factor of given polynomial, when we divide with that, you will get the remainder 0, is in the factor theorem. That means, see, I am saying that x minus 1 is factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. That means this x minus 1 divides the given polynomial exactly, and moreover this is the linear polynomial and this is cubic polynomial. When you are dividing cubic polynomial with linear polynomial, it is reduced to quadratic polynomial. Okay, it is reduced to quadratic polynomial. Now we are dividing x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 with x minus 1. So up to here it is clear. If the numbers are given directly, you can write, see, if I ask to write the factorization for 12, you can write directly like this, 2 into 6, after 6 is splitted into 2 into 3. Similarly, here we are finding the first factor. On dividing that, we are getting remaining 2 factors. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask now itself. You can type in the chat box. Okay, already 18 are watching. Please interact with the live session. Okay, so by using trial and error method, we got 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Now that means that x minus 1 is the factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now I am going to divide given polynomial with x minus 1. x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. We are going to divide with x minus 1. So if you have any doubt in the division algorithm, you can ask now itself. So already we have done division in previous class. If any new viewer is here, you can ask any doubt. So whenever you are going with the division of polynomials, first of all we have to concentrate on first term of the dividend. So this is the dividend which is to be divided, and this is the divisor. So first of all concentrate on the first term of the dividend. So what is the first term of the dividend? X power 3. Now see, what is the power for x here? 1. Here 3. How will you get, how 1 will become 3? That means what should be multiplied for x to become x cube? So obviously we know that a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. So that means you have to get here x cube. That means x power 3. Already we have with x power 1. So on adding which number to 1 you will get 3, because when you are having the same basis, the powers must be added. So that means I am taking same base. Here already power is 1. What power should be for x to get 3? So obviously it is 2. That means a power m plus a power n equals to a power m plus n, which will rise to x cube. Okay, that means multiply x with x square, you will get x cube. Okay, and there is no coefficient for x cube term, leave it. And minus 1 into x square, it is minus x square. So as usual in the normal division, we are, after writing this, we are going for the subtraction in this term. Similarly, we are subtracting these terms from the given polynomial. So minus into plus, minus of minus plus, and blindly we can remember that while you are subtracting these terms, we will write the opposite term, opposite sign. That means plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Okay. Okay. Now x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Minus 2x square plus 1x square. So minus 2 plus 1. Obviously minus x square minus x plus 2. Okay. Now again in this step, again concentrate on the first term, which is minus x square. Already we have x power 1. So on multiplying with x power 1, because 1 plus 1 equals to 2. X into x will get x square. But here we have the coefficient as minus 1. So we are multiplying with minus 1. So x into x gives x square plus 1 into minus 1. Minus. Okay. Now minus into minus plus 1 into x. Again on subtracting, minus of minus becomes plus. Minus into plus becomes minus. Minus x square plus x square get cancelled. Minus x, you will get minus 2x, and drag this plus 2 here. So minus 2x plus 2. So again observe carefully, the degree of x and degree of this x minus 1 is same. These two terms, two polynomials have same degree. So enough to multiply with the coefficients. Observe the first term again. In this step also we have to concentrate on first term. Here x and x same x. Don't worry about the x term. So what is the coefficient left here? Minus 2. Now if x is multiplied with minus 2, you will get minus 2x. Minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2. Okay. On subtracting, minus becomes plus here, plus becomes minus. Minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Remainder will be 0. Now observe carefully. How can write this? By using the division fact. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient. That means I am saying p of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So p of x is the given polynomial which is nothing but the dividend. So x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equals to g of x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2, x square minus x minus 2. Okay, now already we got one factor x minus 1, and this is the quadratic polynomial. On splitting this again you will get two more factors, and observe here remainder is 0, that's why I didn't consider the remainder, plus 0, no need to write here. Now observe carefully. Now factorize this quadratic polynomial using splitting method. So while you are going for the splitting method, first of all you are multiplying x square term and constant term. So minus 2 into x square, you will get minus 2x square. Write the factors for this. So minus 1x into 2x and 1x into minus 2x. These are the factor set for this. So minus 1 into 2, x into x square. So minus 2x square. Even 1 into minus 2, x into x square. Add them. Minus 1 plus 2 will get minus 1x, that means minus x. And here, sorry, plus x, minus 1 plus 2. 2 is a bigger, so plus x you will get here. And 1 minus 2, minus 1, that means minus x. Observe the x term, minus x. So you have to take this set. So split this x square minus x as plus x minus 2x minus 2. Okay, now x minus 1 into, so divide this into two parts. In this two part, x is the common, you left with x here and plus 1. And observe carefully, in second part we have minus 2 is common for two terms, so take minus 2 common, you left with x plus 1, because minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2. Now x minus 1 into, in these two terms x plus 1 is common, take it out. So x plus 1 into, we left with x here, so x and minus 2 here, x minus 2. Now the factors are x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. Okay. Do you have any doubt here? So do you have any doubt here? So when he given the cubic polynomial and he asked to factorize, first of all we have to get one factor using trial and error method, that means you will get 0. Then after using that factor we have to divide the given cubic polynomial, which results reduced to quadratic polynomial, and it is very easy to factorize the quadratic polynomial, all of you know that. Any doubt now? If you have any doubt you can type in the chat box. So this step is very easy, and also you know that the division of the polynomials. Okay, so after dividing we are using the division algorithm, division fact, and again we are factorizing the quadratic polynomial. Okay, now we will move the next sum. Okay, now fifth main, second sum, x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 minus 9x minus 5. Again, as it said, first of all you have to get 0 using the trial and error method. When you are going with the trial and error method, first of all we start with plus 1 and next minus 1 and 2 and minus 2. Now let p of x equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Take 1. That means substitute the value of 1 in the place of x. So you will get p of 1 equals to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. So 1 cube 1, 1 square 1, 3 into 1 3, minus is there, so minus 3, minus 9 minus 5. So these 3 are negative terms, so add them. 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 5 17, 1 minus 17 will result in minus 16. That means 1 is not a 0 for the given polynomial. So go for the minus 1. P of minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube, minus 1 whole cube, minus 3 into minus 1 whole square, minus 9 into minus 1, minus 5. Okay. Now minus 1 whole cube, minus 1, minus 1 whole square, it results in plus 1. So minus 3 into plus 1, minus into minus plus, 9 ones 9, minus 5. Okay. So minus 1, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, plus 9, minus 5. Now add all the negative terms, you will get minus 5 plus minus 3, minus 8, minus 1, minus 9. So minus 9 plus 9, it results in 0. That means minus 1 is the 0 of given polynomial. Therefore, since minus 1 is 0 of polynomial, 0 of polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Therefore, x plus 1 is factor of x plus 1 is factor of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So those who are watching now, as Shivam, it is p of minus 1. When you are substituting the p of minus 1, you got 0. That's why minus 1 is 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Now do the division, get the quotient for this. That means reduce the cubic polynomial to the quadratic polynomial, and you say the quadratic polynomial for me. So divide that. With x plus 1, sorry, so those who are watching, everyone bring your paper and pen, that it is very feasible for you to do the problem. So now divide and say the answer for me. I will give some time. So divide this cubic polynomial with linear polynomial x plus 1 and reduce it to the quadratic polynomial. So those who are watching, everyone can do this problem. So anyone? Okay, see, so if you take the first term of the polynomial, in first step you take the first term, so it is x cube and here we have x, so x should be multiplied with x square and you will get x cube, x into x square gives x cube plus 1 into x square plus x square, subtract this, that means it will be minus here and minus here, x cube minus x cube, get cancelled, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 x square, and write them here, minus 9x minus 5, minus 9x minus 5. Again constant term, first term here we have minus 4 x square. So that means x should be multiplied with x, you will get x square, but again the coefficient is not 1, we have minus 4. Here coefficient is 1. 1 into minus 4, 1 into minus 4, you will get minus 4 here. So x into minus 4x, you will get minus 4 x square. X square minus 2x. Check Riddhi once. It is not, I think so, minus 2x. Check once. Riddhi, check once, it is not correct. So plus 1 into minus 4x, minus 4x. Okay, again minus becomes plus on subtracting, minus of minus plus, minus of minus plus, both these terms are get cancelled. I think so you have done wrong here, Riddhi. You have taken minus 3 plus 1 as minus 2 something. Check once. Okay. Now minus 9 plus 4, you will get minus 5x minus 5. No, this is the linear one and this is the linear one. Just enough to multiply linear fact, that means linear polynomial with constant, you will get the again one more linear polynomial which is required. Now observe carefully, x and x. What is more required here? Minus 5, which is the coefficient of x. So multiply with minus 5. Multiply with minus 5. Shivam, x, yes, very good Shivam, it is correct. Coefficient is x square minus 4x minus 5. Yes. Now x into minus 5, minus 5x, plus into minus, plus 1 into minus 5, minus 5, plus here, plus here, plus, minus 5x plus 5x get cancelled, minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled, you left with remainder 0. And moreover, remember this, when you are choosing 1 0, that means you are verifying the 0 is in the trial and error method. So definitely this will be the factor. Yes, this will be the factor because minus 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. That means x plus 1 is a factor. We are not checking, it is a definitely factor. When you are dividing any polynomial with its factor, definitely remainder must be 0. Remainder must be 0. That is the statement of the factor theorem. Second statement of the factor theorem. Remember that. Okay. When you are dividing any polynomial with factor, remainder must be 0. If you are not getting remainder 0, that means you have done wrong. Okay. Now check once. It was reduced to quadratic polynomial. That means, so you know, all of you know that p of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Nothing but dividend equals to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. So what is the dividend? What we have divided here? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, that equals to g of x with what we have divided? X plus 1 into, what is the question here? X square minus 4x minus 5 okay, plus remainder. What is the remainder here? Obviously 0. Shivam, x plus 1 into x minus 5. Very good, correct answer Shivam, very good. So remainder is 0, no need to mention here. So already Shivam have done. Those who are watching, you can also split this quadratic equation and you can get remaining two factors and you can type in the shorter box. Please involve, this is the live session, those who are watching can involve in the class and do the sums. Now see once, x plus 1 into, this is the quadratic polynomial. So when you are splitting the quadratic polynomial, first of all we are multiplying x square term with constant term, okay. Now minus 5 into x square, you will get minus 5 x square. Write the factors for this. X into minus 5x, because minus 5x into x, you will get minus 5x square. Again I can write this as minus x plus 5x, because again 5 into minus 1, minus 5x into x square, again you will get. But If I add this, I will get minus 4x. If I add these two, I will get plus 4x. But what is the middle term here? Minus 4x. That means we have to get minus 4x here. So we have to split as like this. So x square plus x minus 5x and minus 5. Okay. Now see, x plus 1 into, in first two terms x is the common, you left with x plus 1, and in second part in these two terms minus 5 is the common, take minus 5 as common, you left with x and plus 1. Okay, if you have any doubt in this splitting the second term, so whatever the factor you got in the first term, same thing you will get in the second part. Okay, now x plus 1 into, take x plus 1 common here, x plus 1 into x left here minus 5 left here. So the factors are x plus 1 into x plus 1 and x minus 5. Any doubt here? If you have any doubt, you can type here. So already more than 10 people are watching here. So please interact with the live session. Take paper and pen. So do parallelly with me and get the answers. And you can type in the chat box. If you have any doubt while doing this sum, you can type there in the chat box and I can solve your doubt. Okay. So with this we completed the second one. I am going to erase this. Any doubt here those who are watching? Siraj, hi Siraj. You are from Kuwait, okay. And those who are the new viewers can like our channel, so subscribe our channel, and you can hit the like button to encourage us. So we are moving to the next sum. Vishal, okay, hi Vishal, this is the class. Tomorrow we will have the class 8th session, okay. Yuvraj, okay. Okay, we can move for the next question. Fifth main. Third one, fifth main, third one, exercise 2.4, fifth main, third one. X cube plus 13x plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, 32x plus 20. Okay, as I said, you can go with the trial and error method using first of all plus 1, next minus 1, 2 and minus 2. See, whenever you get all the plus terms, it is waste to go with the positive terms, positive values, because when you take the positive values again it becomes, the whole value will become the positive, you will not get 0. Yes or not? Think logically. If I take plus 1 or plus 2, all these terms are positive terms, that means again here they are plus 13, plus 32, there is no negative term here, obviously it results in positive 1. So directly I am going with minus 1 without taking the plus 1. Any doubt here? Because all are the positive terms, if I take plus 1, definitely it becomes positive term, not the 0. But I have to get the 0 as answer to verify the taken value is whether 0 of the given polynomial or not. Any doubt here? Hi Raj, I am fine. Okay, now I am taking minus 1, p of minus 1, p of minus 1. Now p of minus 1 equals to minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square plus 1 into plus 13 plus 13 itself plus into minus 32 plus 20. Add negative terms separately and positive terms separately. So 13 plus 20, you will get 33, minus 1 minus 32, you will get minus 33. See, I already told when you are going with the trial and error method, first of all you have to take plus 1, then after minus 1, then 2, minus 2, and they will not go beyond the minus 2. Okay. So, but why I am taking directly minus 1 here? Because all these terms are positive. First of all, we have to check and we have to reduce our effort while you are doing the problem. No need to, if you do minus 1, obviously you can say this is the positive, all the terms are positive, the result will be the positive, you will not get 0. But our aim is to get the answer 0, because we are verifying the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay. Therefore, since minus 1 is 0 of x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, therefore x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Okay. Now divide this with x plus 1, x cube minus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. We are dividing with x plus 1. Okay. Those who are watching now, divide this polynomial with x plus 1 and get the quotient. Make it fast. Take some time and divide this cubic polynomial with x plus 1 and get the quotient. As to the minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Very good. Get the answer. Those who already more than 10 people are watching this video, you can divide this polynomial with x plus 1 and get the answer. Yes, Sridhi, we are also planning for other classes, physics and chemistry. If it is done, we will inform you. No, don't worry about that. We are being in the process. So factorize this, that means divide this cubic polynomial. Okay, Shivam, p of minus 1, okay. Then divide with x plus 1. How to get x square plus 12x plus 20. Okay, let me do once. Check the first. Check the first term of the given polynomial. It is x cube. So x, here we have x term is x. So multiply with x square, you will get x cube. Plus 1 into x square, you will get plus x square. You are subtracting minus of plus minus, again minus of plus minus, x cube minus x cube get cancelled. 13 minus 1, 12 x square, and drag them, plus 32x plus 20. Okay, now concentrate on first term. It is 12x square. Here it is 12x square. So x is multiplied with x to get x square term, but coefficient is 12 we have, that is plus 12. So minus 1 into plus 12, you will get 12x square, plus 1 into 12x plus 12x plus 12x. Okay, Next, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, plus 12x square minus 12x square get cancelled. 32 minus 12, you will get 20x. Drag this 20 plus 20 plus 20. Very good, Shivam. X square plus 12x plus 20. Yes. Okay, now see. X. Here x term is there. Here also x term. Just enough to multiply with coefficient. What is the coefficient here? 20. So plus 20. 20 into x. 20x. Plus 1 into 20. Plus 20. Minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. 20 minus 20, 20x minus 20x get cancelled. 20 minus 20 get cancelled. You are left with 0. So obviously the quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20. Now can you split this? Those who are watching can split this quadratic polynomial and get two more factors. So I can write now this as, using division fact, P of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That means dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder plus remainder. So what is the P of x here? X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 plus 20. That equals to g of x. With what we have divided? It is nothing but x plus 1, that is the divisor, x plus 1 into q of x is coefficient. See, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the quotient? That is, what is the answer? X square plus 12x plus 20 into x square plus 12x plus 20 plus remainder. Is there any remainder? Yes, 0. Nothing to write because it is 0. At Anish Bhai? Yes, Anish Bhai, we are going to try. We will inform soon when class 11 and class 12 about those. Okay. So no need to write remainder because remainder is 0 itself here. No need to add anything here. Now factorize this. X plus 1 into, observe carefully, 20 into x square, 20 into x square, multiply constant and x square term, you will get 20 x square. We have many factors but only two factors, which is 2x into 10x. 2 tens are 20, x into x square, and when adding them 10 plus 2, 12x. So I am splitting this as x square plus 2x plus 10x plus 20. Okay, now we will get x plus 1 into x plus 1 into, in this first two terms, that means the first part x is common. If I take x common, x will left here because x into x gives x square, plus 2 is left here because x into 2 gives 2x. And again in these two terms 10 is the common factor, 10 ones 10 twos. So plus 10 into plus 10 into, you left x with x here plus 2. Okay, now x plus 1 into, in these two terms x plus 2 is common. Take x plus 2 common and you left with x here, you left with 10 here. That means the factors are, on factorizing them, you got x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10. These are the factors of the given polynomial. Okay, now see, we use a trial and error method. Can anyone do splitting method for this? Can anyone do splitting method for this? As we are doing splitting method for the quadratic, can anyone do splitting method for this? So even when you are going for splitting method, we will get one of the common factor, that is x plus 1. Then after we are going division. Division is common in even splitting method also. Can anyone do? If anyone can do the splitting method, please type X in the chat box and they can do. Otherwise, I will explain it. Okay? Check once. Constant term first, these two terms. Here we have 20. Last term is 20 constant. So, make this as 20 plus something. So, first write 20 here. 32x is the sum of 20x plus 12x. So, I can write this as 20x plus 12x. Yes. That means based on this constant term we are moving, from right side we are moving. So, what we have here 20. So, split this as 20 and something. So, 32x can be written as 20 plus 12x. Again, we have 12 here. Now, divide, that means split this 13x square as 12 plus something. 12 plus something, that means 12x square plus x square based on this coefficient of x here. So, I can write this as 12x square plus x square, and first term will be like this, leave like that, x cube. Now, observe carefully, in these two terms we have one constant, that means common factor 20, and in these two terms we have one common factor 12x, and here we have x square. Okay, in these two terms if you take x square, you left with x plus 1, you left with x plus 1, x square into x cube, x into, very good Shivam, x into 1, x square, plus, now in these two terms 12x is the common. If I take 12x common, again I left with x here plus 1 here. Next, in these two terms 20 is the common, so 20 into x will left here and plus 1. So, all these three terms we left, we have the common factor, that is nothing but x plus 1. Now, I can write this as x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20, whatever you got here. Okay, x square plus 12x plus 20. Then you can go for the splitting method. Any doubt here in this method? That means here we can skip the division, but we have to again go for the factorization. Okay, if we have any doubt you can ask there. So, which is not clear Shivam? The screen, board or screen, which is not clear? You can type there, which is not clear. So, everyone able to understand? Is it audible? And board and screen is visible for everyone? Okay. If you have any technical issue, you can type in the chat box, then we can know about your. Okay, Shivam, now it is clear. Are you able to see the board properly? Is it clear or not? You can type there. Okay. We can go with the next sum. Okay, Shivan. So, last sum in this exercise 2.4. Fifth main, D sum 2y cube 2. So, exercise 2.4, fifth main last sum, that means fifth one, fifth main, fourth sum, 2y cube plus y square y square minus 2y minus 1. The question is that 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Okay. So first of all, use trial and error method and get this first 0. So check with plus 1 and minus 1, same is the answer. P of 1 is 0 or P of minus 1 is 0. Substitute the value in the given polynomial, take y as 1 or minus 1, start with 1 and get the answer for me. X minus 1, that means if you substitute here plus 1, you will get 0. Yes, very good Shivam. First factor is x minus 1. Now divide with x minus 1. Sorry, here the polynomial is in terms of y, so y minus 1. Check once Shivam, it is y minus 1. Okay. Okay, see once, let P of y equals to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Substitute plus 1 here, that means in the place of y, substitute with 1. P of 1 equals to 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square plus, sorry, minus 2 into 1 minus 1. 1 cube 1, 1 into 2 plus 1 square 1 itself, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 and minus 1, plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, you left with 0. Since 1 is 0 of the given polynomial 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1, therefore x minus 1 is factor of 2y cube plus y square minus y minus 1. And remember, why I will write step here, why you are dividing with this. See, we can write any number, that means if I take any 14, if 2 is a factor, means 2 into something. Since 2 is a factor of 14, we will write 2 into something, that is nothing but 2 into 7. Since it is a number, we can know it is 7. So while writing this, 2y cube minus plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equals to x minus 1 is factor, that means it is should be product of something, x minus 1 into something, we don't know that. I am taking that as q of x, that means quotient. So if you transpose this, you will get q of x equals to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. That is the reason we are dividing to get the quadratic polynomial here. Okay, understood why you are dividing here? SVD, it is P of 1. Okay, very good. Now go for the division. So this is the reason we are dividing. See, if 2 is factor for 14, I can write 2 into 7. Okay, 2 into 7. Since it is a number, we can know directly. Similarly, if x minus 1 is factor, means I can write the given polynomial equals to that factor into something, some other term, but we don't know what it is. So transpose x minus 1 to left side, that means you have to divide the given polynomial with this factor. So that is the reason we are dividing here. Observe carefully. Now divide with x minus 1 to y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 minus 1. So do division and get the quotient here. Those who are watching, already 11 people are watching, you can get the quotient after dividing this given polynomial with x minus 1. Sorry, it is y minus 1 because the polynomial is in terms of y. So we have to divide with y minus 1. So usually every time we will get x, but this time he given y. So divide with y minus 1. Okay. Now get the answer. Two y square plus 3y. So everyone, those who are watching, can do the division and you can type the answer in the chatter box. And those who are the new subscribers, they can, those who are new viewers, they can subscribe our channel and even hit the like button to encourage us. Okay, now see once, y into, always when you are going with the polynomial division, concentrate on first term. Here 2y cube, that means y cube. Y should be multiplied with y square, you will get y cube. Quotient is 2, here 1, so 1 into 2 you will get 2y cube. So minus 1 into 2y square, minus 2y square. On subtracting, minus into plus, minus, minus of minus, plus. 2y cube minus 2y cube get cancelled. Plus 1y square plus 2y square, so plus 3y square. Drag these two terms, you will get minus 2y minus 1. And second step also again constant on the first term itself, that is nothing but 3y square. Already y is here, so y into y, you left with y square. Write like this, then it is very easy for you. Y into y square, then what is the quotient? 3. So your quotient is 1. What should be multiplied to get plus 3? 1 into plus 3, you will get 3 here. So y into 3y, 3y square, minus 1 into 3y, minus 3y, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus 3y square minus 3y square get cancelled. Minus 2y plus 3y, you left with y minus 1. So y and y here, this quotient is 1 and here also plus 1. So y plus 1, that means y into plus 1 gives y, minus into plus 1 minus 1. So obviously minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, plus y minus y, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, remainder is 0, remainder is 0. So you will get as 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equals to y minus 1 into 2y square plus 3y plus 1, 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Now split this quadratic expression and get the factors for me. All of you who are watching, split this quadratic polynomial and get the factors for me. So Shivam already done. So you get 2 and y. So y plus 1 and y plus 2y plus 1. Yes, Shivam, you are correct. Y plus 1 into y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. Very good, Shivam. And even those who are watching, everyone they can do, whether it is correct or wrong, please type in the chatter box and verify with the answer. If it is correct, is okay. If it is wrong, you can know whatever the wrong you have done. So don't leave. First of all, do the problem on the paper and give the answer there. Okay. Now observe carefully. In splitting method, we are multiplying square term and constant. So 2y square into 1, you will get obviously 2y square. factors you are writing y into 2y. So y into y square, 1 into 2, 2, and there is no negative term in the middle term, so it is enough to take 1 plus 2, you will get 3, that means 3y, y plus 2y, you will get 3y, that is the middle term. So I can split 3y as y and 2y. So 2y square plus 2y plus y plus 1, because I am splitting 3y as 2y plus y. Now y minus 1 into, in the first part, in these two terms 2y is the common, so 2y take as common, you left with y here, because 2y into y gives y square, and here already 2y is taken common, just we left with plus 1, because 2y into plus 1 gives 2y. Again in these two terms there is no common factor, just plus 1 will be the common factor. Directly write y plus 1 here. Again in these two terms y plus 1 is the common factor, so y minus 1 into, take y plus 1 common, you left with 2y here, you left with plus 1. So the factors are y minus 1 into y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. Any doubt here? If you have any doubt, you can type there and clarify the doubt. With this we completed the exercise 2.4. Okay. Okay, now we are moving with algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Can anyone state the identities, algebraic identities you have already learned in the previous class? That means since 7th standard you are learning, 7th and 8th standard you have learned some algebraic identities. Those who are watching, you can type there. So whatever the algebraic identities you know, you can type there. I will give few minutes for you. You can type the algebraic identities, whatever you know. That means whatever you learned in the previous standard, just type them. Let me know how many of you have the knowledge about the algebraic identities. That means I am asking about the identities a plus b whole square, that equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Can you get one more identity? That means whatever the identities you know, you can type there. Already I have given one identity, basic identity a plus b whole square. X plus y into 2, x minus 1. Okay, x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square, x plus y into x minus y. Very good. Okay. Yes, ready? Already we have completed that sum. Okay, y plus 1 into y plus 2 y plus 1. Very good. Now we are dealing with the algebraic identities. Okay, Shivam only we know with the three identities, that is x plus 1 whole square, y x minus y whole square, x plus y into x minus y. So I will state in x and y. Okay, you can write even a plus b whole square or x plus y whole square. Now I will state with using the variables x and y. Okay, check once. X plus y whole square equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. It may be a plus b whole square or x plus y whole square. Just change in the variables. Don't worry about this. Can anyone state x minus y whole square, that equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square, x square minus 2xy plus y square. Third identity is that x plus y into x minus y, which results in x square minus y square, x square minus y square. After this we have x plus y plus z whole square. Can anyone state this? Can anyone state this? X plus y plus z whole square equals to. Let me answer. Everyone, those who are watching, can type your answer in the chat box. Don't worry about the answer. First type what you are thinking. Just type your view, whether it is right or wrong. I am asking to get the identity x plus y plus z whole square. Okay, see once x plus y plus z whole square, that means you will get with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Even I can write this as x square plus y square plus z square. I can take 2 as common, so 2 of xy plus yz plus xz. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 of xy plus yz plus xz. So after this we are going for the cubic identities, that means x plus y whole cube, x plus y whole cube. Can anyone state this? X plus y whole cube, x plus y whole cube. As with the x square plus y square, already we have done this, okay. Today I think so you are getting delay in streaming, okay, no problem, don't worry about that. Now get this for me, x plus y whole cube. So everyone who are watching, they can answer whether it is right or wrong. Give whatever you are thinking about this. What is x plus y whole cube equals to? If you say what you are thinking, and I will reveal what is the identity. If both are same, it is okay. If it is any wrong with you, you can verify here itself. That is the best process to learn. Then if you learn like this, you will never forget the identities. So first of all, type what you know. S with the very good. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. I am asking now x plus y whole cube. Okay. See once. X cube plus y cube plus 3 x square y plus 3 x y square, 3x square y plus 3x y square. Okay, I can write this as x cube plus y cube plus, see, observe in these two terms 3xy is common. If I take 3xy common, I left with x here and here y. 3xy of x plus y, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy of x plus y. Okay. Next identity, x minus y whole cube, x minus y whole cube. Get this? Very similar to x plus y whole cube. Get this? And don't worry, see, x plus y whole square means x plus y into x plus y On multiplying x plus 5 2 times, that is nothing but x plus 5 whole square, you will get the answer. X into x square. On multiplying this and adding the like terms, you will get the answer. Similarly, x plus y whole cube means x plus y, that means x plus y whole cube I am saying, into x plus y into x plus 5, x plus y. That means you are multiplying x plus y for 3 times, you will get this answer. Okay, that means you have to add the like terms. Don't worry about this. Okay, next, x minus y whole cube. That means x cube minus y cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. X cube minus y cube, as to the here given. Okay, x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus, okay, very good, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Very good, Shivam. X square plus y square plus 3xyz. Will we check once what you said? X square plus y square plus z square plus 3xyz. Okay, check once that what you have written there. Okay, Riddhi and Shivam, you have given some answers. Very good. Now see here, x cube minus y cube. In these two terms I will take minus 3xy common. Taking minus 3xy common, so you left with x here, because 3x into x, x square into y, 3x square y minus y is already there. Now again here 3xy into y, you will get y square, but here minus, here plus, so I am writing minus, because minus into minus plus. So I can take this as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, really check once what you written there. Chakravarti, see once this, these are the identities, that means formulae. Okay, already you know about this, x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square, x plus y and x minus y. So from here you have to check once, x plus y plus z whole square, that means that equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xy xz. And in these three terms I am taking 2 common, so x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus xz. Similarly, x plus y whole cube, this is the formula for x plus y whole cube. Okay, that means on multiplying x plus y into x plus y into x plus y, you will get this answer. So this is the formula, no need to. Yeah, yesterday I understood that I already informed you that there is some streaming problem for you, there is some streaming delay, no problem for that. Okay, now see, x plus y whole cube, formula for x plus y whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square plus 3x square. You can write like this or like this also, both are same. Okay, done with this. And moreover, x plus a into x plus b, you will get as x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. And observe this thing, this is the one you are using for the factorization of quadratic polynomial in splitting method. Okay, if you observe carefully, see AB, we are multiplying, see here quotient is 1, so 1 into AB, that means you are getting AB by adding A plus B. Observe carefully this identity, you can understand. Okay, x plus A into x plus B equals to x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. Okay, now I will do this to understand. See, I am taking x plus A into x plus B. So multiply this x term with x, you will get x square, x into b, bx. Similarly, a into x, ax, a into b, ab, x square. In these two terms, x is common, So take x as common, you left with a plus b into x, because a into x ax, b into x bx, plus ab. So this is how we get the formula. Okay, now one more formula is there, 8th one. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to minus 3xyz, that equals to x square plus y square, sorry, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. So remember this identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Okay, and even we have x cube minus, sorry, x cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, x cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Last one, x cube minus y cube equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, already you know up to 3, and note down this for, I'll give 10 seconds some time, few minutes, note down this formula, it is very useful for you. If anyone have, okay Shivam, just little bit, just 1 minute, we can move. Okay. Okay, see once, geometrical proof for a plus b whole square, that means x plus y whole square. Okay, you can take x plus y whole square, no problem, x plus y whole square. So going for the geometric proof of x plus y whole square. Okay Riddhi, don't worry about the network, even though you will get the streaming after seconds, no problem, just follow the class. Okay, x plus y whole square. So we are going with geometrical proof for x plus y whole square. Now take one square, take one square. Okay, so take it as x up to here, that means the length from here to here is x and this is y. Similarly here also, up to here it is x and from here to here y, and similarly on this, in this side also x and y, and even this side also. So join this. Okay, x and y. Join these points here. Now observe this. What is the length of the total square, outer square? It is x plus y. It is x plus y. Okay, up to here it is x and remaining length is y. Total length of the square is x plus y. Total length of the square is x plus y. Now observe carefully, what is this length up to here to here? From here to here it is nothing but x. Even from here to here x. So again we got one more square with edge or with side x. So what is the area of this space? That means nothing but area of the square with side x, x square. Yes. And what is the area of this? What is the area of this? This is a square with side y, y square. And what is it? I am taking this as first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Now see, what is the third part? It is a rectangle area with length x and breadth y. So you can write this area as xy. And even this is also similar rectangle with length x and breadth y. So area of this rectangle is xy. Area of this rectangle is xy. Now check once. What is the formula we have? X plus y whole square equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Now see, this is x plus y whole square. That means if we add all these four parts, you have to get x plus y whole square from this geometrical figure. Yes or not? See, total square, the length is x plus y. So the area of this total square is nothing but x plus y whole square, which should be equals to area of all these four parts. Part 1 area plus part 2 area, part 3 area plus part 4 area. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Yes. Now what is the area of first part? It is nothing but x square. What is the area of second part? It is nothing but y square. It is nothing but y square. Now what is the area of third part? xy. And what is the area of fourth part? xy. It is xy. So we can get this as x square plus y square, xy plus xy, 2xy. No, the formula is verified using the geometric figure. So this is the geometric proof for x plus y whole square. Similarly we can do for x minus y whole square, x plus y into x minus y, x square plus y, x plus y plus z whole square. Okay. So all of you understood how to do the geometrical proof for x plus y whole square. If you have any doubt, ask now itself. So constantly 11 people are watching, very good. Since 40 minutes 11 people are watching, but please interact with the live session. If you have any doubt, you can type in the chat box and you can clarify your doubt now itself. Okay. So I am closing this. So we can move for the next exercise, which is exercise 2.5. So first question. So all of you observe the screen. Is everyone is able to see the screen? If it is not visible clearly, you can type in the chat box. Okay. So see the first question. What he asked in the exercise 2.5. Use suitable identities to find the following products. Use suitable identities to find the following products. First one he given as x plus 4 into x plus 10. X plus 4 into x plus 10. Observe carefully, it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, which gives rise to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. And you have to remember, when you are seeing this in the form of x plus a and x plus b, this is the formula. X square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Now observe, if you observe carefully, in the place of a we have 4, in the place of b we have 10. So directly I can write this as x square plus a plus b, that means 4 plus 10 into x, ab, that means 4 into 10. So which gives rise to x square plus 14x plus 40. Any doubt here? Very good, Astosh. I think so. Your name is Astosh. Hi, good evening. Yes, very good answer. X square plus 14x plus 40. Now go with the next one. So already 11 people are watching. Everyone can give the answer in the chat box. Those who are watching. Next question. X plus 8 into x minus 10. And don't worry, it is not in the form of x plus y into x minus 5, because here the term is not same. So little bit confusing, he given like this. So write this as x plus 8 into x plus of minus 10. Can write this? Observe carefully. I am writing first term as it is x plus 8. In second term I am taking minus 10 as plus of minus 10, because plus into minus again you will get minus. Now it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, where a equals to 8, b equals to minus 10. Same formula, observe carefully, same formula. And don't confuse, there is no other formula, x plus a into x minus b. Okay, just convert into this form, x plus a into x plus b. Shivam, x square minus 2x and minus a. Very good Shivam. So it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, but where a equals to 8, b equals to minus 10. So x square plus a plus b, 8 plus of minus 10 into x plus a into b, 8 into minus 10. So obviously x square minus 10 plus 8 minus 2x, 8 into minus 10 minus 80. Any doubt here? Very good, Astosh. Very good answer. Okay. You can move with the next question. If you have any doubt, ask now itself. Here nothing we are doing. Whatever the identities we have, we are comparing with them. That means you have to thorough with the identities. I have given 10 identities for you. 10 identities. You must be thorough with 10 identities to solve this exercise. Okay, remember the thing. You must be thorough with the 10 identities to solve this exercise. That means you have to get all those 10 identities by orally. Okay. Then we are moving in the next sum. Three x plus 4, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Same thing given. Rewrite this as 3x plus 4 into 3x plus of minus 5. Same identity. X plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Same identity we have to use here. X plus a into x plus b. Here x also changed. In the place of x we have 3x here. Okay, and in the place of a we have 4 here. In the place of b we have minus 5. Now substitute in this identity, you will get x square plus a plus b, that means 4 plus of minus 5 into x plus ab, 4 into minus 5, 4 into minus 4. But here x is x equals 3x, so 3x whole square. 3x whole square. Already Shivam given 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Astosh also given. Very good, Astosh and Shivam. Let's correct answer. So 3x square, 3 square 9, x square 4 minus 5 minus 1. So minus 1 into x minus x plus into minus minus 4 5s are 20. Very good, Shivam and Astosh, you are following very well. Next, go with the next sum. 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. 3 minus 2x into 3 minus 2x. Observe carefully which form it is. A minus b into a plus b, that is nothing but x plus y into x minus y, which is equals to x square minus y square. Observe carefully. X minus y into x plus y, where x equal to 3, y equal to 2x. X plus y into x minus y. As 9 minus 4x square. Very good, Shivam. So here x equals to 3 and y equal to 2x. So using this identity you can write x square, that means 3 square minus y square, that means 2x whole square. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, x square 9 minus 4 x square. Observe when we have to use this, when we have to use this. See here, both will have same term, the only sign will change. 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x, only sign is changing, but here is different. 3x common, x sum is common, but a and b are different. Observe carefully and follow with the identity. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can type in the shorter box. Okay. As Ashutosh, it is not 9 plus, as 9 minus 4x square. Very good. And last sum in first main, exercise 2.5, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Don't worry about the power of this term, that means maybe x, y power 2, y power 2. Don't worry about this. First of all, check once. This is 1, this is x and this is y. X plus y into x minus y. Check whether this is in the form of x plus y and x minus y. Don't worry about the term. It may be squared, it may be cube, it may be power 4. Okay, don't worry about this. That means it is in the form of x plus y into x minus y. Just check once. Both the first terms are same. Yes, that means x, take it as x. Both the second terms are same. Yes, take it as y. But there is interchange in the sign. So we can compare with the identity x plus y into x minus y, which results in x square minus y square, y power 4 minus 9 by 4. Very good, Ashutosh. Okay, now see once, where x equals to y square and y equals to 3 by 2. Now you can write this as x square minus y square, that means y square whole square, because x itself here y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. So y power 2 whole power 2, a power m in whole power n, a power mn. So y power 4 minus 3 square 9, 2 square 4, y power 4 minus 9 by 4. Okay, Ashutosh. We can move for the next main. With this we completed the first main in exercise 2.5. So moving to the second main. See the screen once. He is asking to evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So already you learned in the third class, fourth class, directly multiplying 103 into 107. But here not, we are going with the direct multiplication. We are using the identities. That means using identity we have to get the result of these two. That means multiplying these two. That means we have to get the product of 103 into 107. So first question in second main, 103 into 107. 103 into 107. Can anyone get this answer? Yes, very good, Ashutosh. So we have to get the nearest 100. What is the nearest 100 for 103 and what is the nearest 100 for 107, and both should be same. I can write 103 as 100 plus 3 into 107 as 100 plus 7. Then we are equating with the same thing, same term, x term here, 100 and 100. Then we can observing this, you can go with formula or identity, x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In this case, where x equals to 100, a equals to 3, b equals to 7. Apply the identity. So x square, that means 100 square, a plus b, that means 3 plus 7 into x, which is 100, plus ab, 3 into 7. 100 square, it is nothing but 10,000. Remember one thing, when you are multiplying hundreds or thousands or tens, first of all double the zeros. We have two zeros here. On squaring them, the zeros will be doubled, and write the square of the 1. If you have 2 means 2 square, if you have 300 means 3 square. So 1 square is 1 itself. Okay, plus 7 plus 3 10, 10 into 100, 7 plus 3 10, 10 into 100 it is nothing but 1000, you can write directly, plus 21. Now go with the linear addition. 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, 2 plus 0 plus 0 2, 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1. So 11,021 is the answer. Check once. Astosh, it is not 10,221. Check once properly. Yes, Shivam is given already. 11,021 is the correct answer. Okay, check once properly. Now we can move with the next sum. 95 into 96. 95 into 96. Can anyone say how to write this? 95 into 96. See, in two ways, because 100 square is very easy, even though 90 square also very easy, I can write this as 90 plus 5, 95 as 90 plus 5. You can write 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. You can use same formula. Now I am using 90 plus 5 because nearest term. 90 into 96 as 90 plus 6. Even you can write this as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 6. In the place of x you will get 100, in the place of a minus 5, in the place of b minus 4. It is 96, no? Minus 4. Otherwise you can use this as 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6, because always summation is very easy. So take this like this. Now when x equals to, same formula, same identity, x equals to 90, a equals to 5, b equals to 6. Okay, now x square, 90 square plus a plus b, that means 5 plus 6 into x, 90 plus ab, that means 5 into 6. Okay, now 90 square, I already said that when you are squaring the tens or hundreds, first of all write the double of zeros we have. In 90 we have only one zero, already Shivam given, very good. So 2 zeros, zeros will be doubled on squaring. 9 square, 8,100 plus 5 plus 6, 11. 11 into 90, 11 nines are 99 into 10, 990. Observe carefully, 11 into 90 means 11 nines are 99, 0 is there, keep 0, and 5 6 are 30. So you will get, on adding this, 8,100 plus 990, obviously you will get for 9090 okay, plus 30, 9120. It is 9120. Yes, Asutosh, it is 9120. Check once. Already Shivam given the answer. Okay, 9120. See once. 90 square 8100. 5 plus 6, 11 into 90, 990 plus 30. Okay. Okay. We can move next sum in same main. Third sum in the second main. Second main, third sum, 104 into 96. 104 into 96. Observe carefully. We have to write the common nearest thing for both. For 104, 100 is the nearest one. So 100 plus 4, nearest 10 is 100. For 96, also 100. So 100 minus 4. Observe carefully. Now it is in the form of x plus y into x minus y. Both x and y are same here. It is not in the form of x plus a and x plus b. X plus y into x minus y. So it is in the form of x plus y into x minus y, which results in x square minus y square. Here x equals to 100, x equals to 100 and y equals to 4. X square means 100 square minus 4 square. 100 square, I already said, squaring of tens, hundreds, just double the zeros. We have 2 zeros in the 100, so write 4 zeros. 1 square, 1 itself, minus 4 square, 16. That means 10,000 minus 16. That means you will get 9,984. 9,984. Any doubt here? Very good, Shivam. Asutosh, what is your problem? You are not getting? When you are typing, you are getting the question marks directly. Check once. Yes, the answer is 9,984. Okay. We can move with the next question now. Third question. Okay. This is the last question for this session. Third main. Now, before we have done the product, now we are going to the factorize. That means reverse. We are getting the factors for the given expression. Factors for the given expression. So, third main, first one, 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Observe carefully, all the terms are plus and we have two square terms. That means obviously it will be the x plus y whole square, because all we have plus terms and we have two square terms, so obviously it will be the x plus y whole square. But before that, write them as perfect squares. See, 9, I can write this as 3 square. 9 is 3 square, so I can write this as 3x whole square. See, 3 square 9, x square. So 3x whole square means 9x square plus y square. I already said you have to get, it should be x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square means x plus y whole square is nothing but x square plus 2xy plus y square. So you got x square and y square. Have write in the form of 2 into x plus 2 into, what is x here? 3x. What is the y? Y itself. Go back now. 2 3s are 6 into xy. Yes. So obviously it is in the form of x plus y whole square, where x equal to 3x and y equal to y itself. So it is 3x plus y whole square. He asked to write the factorize, means you can write like this: 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Any doubt here? Assume very good. 3x plus y whole square already given. 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Now we can move the next question. The same main. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. And remember that first of all convert first term and third term as a perfect squares. Okay, convert them as a perfect squares. So 4 into y square, I can write this as 4 is a perfect square, yes, 2 square. So you can write this as 2y whole square plus 1, I can write this as 1 square. A square plus b square, so x square plus y square. So middle term should be minus 2xy because we have minus here. So check it is in the form of minus 2xy or not. So minus 2 into, what is x here? 2y. What is the y? 1. Observe, go back here. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4 into y into 1, y itself. So now it is in the form of x minus y whole square, which gives rise to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Here x is 2y and y is nothing but 1. Okay. Now we can write this in the form of x minus y whole square. That means 2y minus 1 whole square, which can be written as 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. Is Shubham correct? Ashutosh, check once what you have typed, what you have given. YA not. Check once, maybe some typing mistake. Check once. Okay. Last sum for the session. Last sum for the session. X square minus y square by 100. Observe, only we have two square terms. That means it is in the form of x square minus y square, which is equals to x plus y into x minus y. Third identity, x square minus y square equals to x plus y into x minus y. But here we have y square by 100. If you get for the whole square, that means x square minus y by 10 whole square. I can write this as y by 10 whole square. Yes, obviously 100 is a perfect square, which is 10 square. If I write y by 10 whole square, go back, y square 10 square 100. Now it is in the form of x square minus y square, where x equals to x itself, y equals to y by 10. So I can write this as x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. If anyone have doubt, you can ask. Very good, Ashutosh, you are given already x minus y upon 10 into x plus y upon 10. Very good. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can type here. Already 11 people are watching, only 2 or 3 people they are responding by giving the reply in the chat. Even remaining people also you can involve. This is the live session. If you have any doubt, type now itself. If you have any doubt in this session, if you have any doubt regarding in this topic, that means factorization of the cubic polynomials and factorization and getting the product using the algebraic identities, you can ask now and your doubt will be clarified now itself. Very good, Ashutosh. Everyone, those who are watching, everyone can ask doubt. This is the live session. Please interact with us. Okay, see, even those who are watching the video, so don't watch idle. Even though if you are hesitating to ask doubt, just interact with us by saying hi or good evening. Okay, then we can interact with you and we. Thank you, Deepali. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So when you are interacting with us, it is very easy for you. Your doubts will be clarified. Since this is a live session, it is very easy to get the clarification of doubts. And remember one thing. Hi Rao, Himanshu Rao, hi, good evening. How was the class? Rao, how was the class? Anyone else? If you have any doubt, you can ask. If you don't have any doubt, just give us the feedback by typing your feedback. Okay, and next session will be on Friday, the coming Friday. Continuation of this exercise, same exercise 2.5. Okay, exercise 2.5. And before coming to the session, be aware of the 10 identities. Okay, be aware of the. So learn those 10 identities perfectly, and it is very easy to understand the questions. And one more thing, please recommend your best friends to watch the live video. It is also helpful for your best friends. Very good, Himanshu. Okay, if you have anyone have any doubt, you can ask. And we are about to close the session. Okay. Thank you, Astosh. You are recommending for your friend. Okay, Shivam, very good. Which question, Deepali? Which question you are asking about? How to solve by actual division method? Okay, which question that is? You can type there which question you are asking about. Thank you, Astosh, for recommending. So you can even recommend any other friends also, not only your schoolmates. Okay, your neighbors, those who are studying same standard or even 10th standard or 8th standard, you can recommend anyone from 6th to 10th. Everyone can recommend. So if you want to refer any material regarding the subjects, not only the maths, every subject, you can go for the learncbse.in site and you will get the material for all the subjects, not only for maths, all the subjects for all classes up to 12, plus 1, even plus 1, plus 2 also. Okay. So Deepali, x plus 4 divided by x minus 1. Okay, which side? See, Astosh, I will write here. Learn CBSE.in. Learn CBSE.in. This is the site. Okay. We have all the material regarding all subjects, Okay, Deepali, check once. You are asking about x plus 4, x power 4 plus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 1. See once, x minus 1 dividing x power 4. So only we have x power 4 term and constant term. Without confusion, you can write like this. There is no cube term, 0. There is no square term, write 0. There is no x term, write one more 0. And directly constant term. Okay, x power 4 into 0 and x power 3, x square, 0 and x square, 0 and x plus 1. Okay, now it is very easy to understand. So when he given, that means by skipping all the terms, x cube, x power term, then it is better to write the zeros to understand easily. Now see, here we have x power 4 constant on this. So what should be multiplied with x to get x power 4? Deepali, you can respond, that it is very easy for you. It is your doubt. So what should be multiplied for x to get x power 4? Okay, see, x into x power 3, x into x power 3 you will get x power 4 minus 1 into. How to write 0 means, generally see, x power 4 plus 3x square, 3x cube plus 4x. If you have the descending order of the powers, it should be like this. But there is no x power 3 term, x square term and x term directly given the constant. So if there are no terms, means I can write like this, x power 4, there is no term, so 0. There is no term for x square, also 0. No term for 5x, also 0. To make it easily, I am writing this. Without writing this also you can divide, but I want to make you easier. That's why I wrote here zeros, because he doesn't give in the x cube term, x square term, x term. In the place of x cube term, I am writing 0. 0 into x cube, there is nothing, so 0 itself. There is no value here. But to understand the step by step division very easily, I wrote zeros here. Even write like directly like this also can do. Okay, so simply I am placing zeros, don't confuse. X into x cube, x power 4, minus 1 into x cube, minus x cube. Okay, so you are subtracting plus of minus, minus into minus plus, this 2 will get cancelled. So 0 plus x cube, drag them 0, 0, 1. Okay, now here we have to get x cube. In this step, the first term is x cube. So x into x square, you will get x cube. So there is no coefficient plus 1 itself. So write plus x into plus x square plus x cube, minus 1 into x square minus x square. Again you have to subtract here, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So these two will be get cancelled. 0 plus x square, and drag these two, 0 and 1. No, we have to get x square. So x into plus x into x square, minus 1 into x, minus x, subtract, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. These two will be get cancelled. You will left with x plus x and 1. Okay. So you can write plus, then you can understand. Okay, x plus 1. Now x into plus 1, you will get x, minus 1 into plus 1, you will get minus 1. Okay, minus into plus, wouldn't it, Shivam? Minus into plus, minus into minus, plus. These two get cancelled. Plus 1, plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Remainder is 2. It states that we cannot divide exactly x power 4 plus 1 with x minus 1. So we have some remainder, that is nothing but 2. Even what is the remainder? Directly you can write, see, minus 1 is the 0, because x power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. You will get x power 4 equals to minus 1. So if you substitute here minus 1 whole power 4. Okay, you will not get 0. Okay. Okay. So if you write p of minus 1, p of 1, you will get 1 power 4 plus 1, you will get 2. Because we are dividing with x minus 1. We are dividing with x minus 1. So x minus 1 means x minus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to 1. If you substitute x equal to minus 1 here, so 1 power 4 plus 1, 2. That this is the remainder. This is the using remainder theorem also. Okay, very good, Deepali. Okay, end of the session. Okay, get ready for the next session. It will be on the Friday. That is the extension of exercise 2.5, same chapter, polynomials, and recommend your friends. Okay, Deepali, thank you for your feedback. Recommend your friends, even they also get benefited for this with this. Okay, thank you for watching the session, and